friends, I'm Parikshet from Wow. I'm going to draw an owl.
Let's start drawing, yeah?
It's going to be a funny
It's gonna be a very easy drawing of an owl.
And it's going to be a funny owl.
So as always, we need a black sketch pen.
It's going to be a funny owl also, huh?
Yeah. So owls have big eyes.
Yeah, big eye. Bigger than yours or ours.
1, 2 big eyes.
The biggest eyes in the universe.
Okay.
If you're not able to draw a proper circle, that's okay.
Yeah, that's perfectly fine.
I'm just going to draw this type of thing.
That's gonna be an easy drawing.
The easiest drawing in the future. Huh?
Yes, because this is the drawing for the kids. The small kids.
Up to 7 to 8 years.
No, not 7 to 8 years also.
3 to 2.
Yes. And the legs.
Then I'm going to color it a lot.
Done. The drawing is done. Did you enjoy the drawing?
No, drawing is not done.
Let's quickly color it.
Oh, wait.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Clouds have 3. Yeah, no? Papa, wait, I'm telling you. Wait.
I'm getting it done fast. Real fast. So that you're not able to catch up with me.
You're making it look like something else. Papa, just
Yes.
wait. I'm just telling, just wait, Papa.
Why, beta?
Please.
But why should I wait?
Yeah, just wait. Papa, wait now.
Okay, I'm waiting. So parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us @KidsFunLearnClub and #KidsFunLearnClub. And the best drawings win some exciting goodies from Kids Fun Learn Club.
Papa, oh, wait. Let me get till where you are.
You are already where I am.
No. I'm not. Wait.
Look, I'm doing it slowly.
And when I say fast, then you are going to do it fast. Okay, Papa? Huh?
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1, fast. Papa, I'm telling you fast.
Okay.
You'll never able to catch up with me. Are you done?
I am done.
Water. I think I made a big body now.
We are done with the drawing of an owl. And a very easy drawing for kids. For the young kids out there.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Friends, you know what's the spelling of owl?
What is that?
The spelling of owl.
What is it?
Simple. Like this. See, Papa? How do you see?
Yes. Thank you, Parikshet, for telling us the spelling of an owl.
It's not, this is not G.
Yeah?
It's not G,
It's a L.
yeah.
Okay. Did you have fun with this drawing?
If you had fun, do like and subscribe my channel.
Have a good day.
Till then, have a good day.